everyone, welcome to Easy Talk English channel.
Hi guys, welcome back. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Yeah, today we're going to have a very simple and natural conversation.
That's right. We will talk slowly and clearly so you can follow along easily.
And today's topic is household chores.
Oh yes, chores. Not always fun, but very important.
Oh, by the way, I'm John.
And I'm Emma. Nice to meet you all.
So Emma, how's your morning going today?
Pretty good, actually. I woke up early today, around 7 a.m.
Wow, that's early.
Yeah, I didn't want to wake up, but I had to clean my room.
Starting the day with chores. That's strong.
What about you? How was your morning?
Mine was okay. I made some coffee and then I washed the dishes from last night.
Oh no, you didn't wash them last night?
No, I was too tired. I said I'll do it tomorrow.
Classic. Everyone does that.
So Emma, let's talk about household chores. What chores do you usually do?
I do a lot, actually. I clean my room, wash clothes, cook sometimes, and I also vacuum the floor.
That's a lot.
Yeah, living alone means doing everything yourself.
That's true. I also live alone, so I understand.
What about you, John? What chores do you do every week?
Well, every week I clean my apartment. I sweep the floor, take out the trash, and do laundry.
Do you like doing chores?
Not really, but I like a clean space.
Same here. I don't enjoy cleaning, but I love a clean home.
Exactly. When my place is clean, I feel calm.
Yes, me too. It makes my mind feel clear.
Do you have a favorite chore?
Favorite chore? That's a funny question.
Yeah, I know, but if you had to choose.
Maybe cooking.
Oh, really? Why cooking?
Because I enjoy making food. It's relaxing, and I can try new recipes.
That's nice. I wish I liked cooking more.
What about you? Do you have a favorite chore?
I think maybe doing laundry.
Laundry? Really?
Yeah, I like folding clothes. It's simple and I can watch TV at the same time.
That's true. Folding clothes is kind of relaxing. What about chores you don't like?
Oh, that's easy. I hate cleaning the bathroom.
Same. It's the worst.
Yeah, it takes time and it's not fun at all.
And you have to be very careful and clean everything.
Exactly. What about you?
I don't like washing dishes.
Really? That's interesting.
Yeah, especially when there are many dishes. It feels never ending.
I understand that feeling. So, when you were a child, did you do chores at home?
Yes, I did. My parents always gave me small chores.
Like what?
I had to clean my room, help with dishes, and sometimes take out the trash.
That's good. It teaches responsibility.
Yes, exactly. What about you?
Same here. My mom always said, you must help in the house.
Moms always say that.
Yeah, I remember one time I tried to hide from chores.
Really? What happened?
I went to my room and pretended to sleep.
No way.
Yes, but my mom came in and said, nice try, go clean the kitchen.
That's so funny. Do you think chores are important?
Yes, I think they are very important.
Why?
Because they help us stay organized and healthy. A clean home is good for your body and mind.
I agree. Also, chores teach us discipline.
That's true. When you do chores every day, you build good habits.
Yes, even small things like making your bed can make a difference.
Oh, do you make your bed every day?
Not every day.
Honest answer.
What about you?
I try, but sometimes I'm too lazy.
That's okay. Nobody is perfect.
So, do you usually do chores in the morning or evening?
I prefer doing chores in the morning
Why in the morning?
because I have more energy, and when I finish early, I feel free for the rest of the day.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I usually do chores in the evening.
Really?
Yeah, I work during the day, so I clean at night.
Does that make you tired?
A little, but I like going to bed in a clean space.
That's a good feeling. So, do you ever listen to music while doing chores?
Oh, yes, all the time.
Me too. It makes chores more fun.
Exactly. Sometimes I even dance while cleaning.
Same here.
Really?
Yes, especially when I'm vacuuming.
That sounds fun.
It is. It makes boring chores feel like a game.
Do you ever delay chores?
Oh, yes, many times.
Me too.
Sometimes I say, I'll do it later, but later becomes tomorrow.
That's so true.
But then the chores become bigger and harder.
Yeah, it's better to do small chores every day.
Exactly. Small steps are easier.
So, do you think sharing chores is important?
Yes, especially if you live with other people.
Right. It's not fair if one person does everything.
Exactly. Everyone should help.
Have you ever had a roommate?
Yes, I had one in college.
How was that?
It was okay, but sometimes we argued about chores.
Oh no, what happened?
She didn't like cleaning, so I did most of the work.
That's not fair.
Yeah, we had to talk and make a schedule.
That's a good solution.
So, do you use any tools to help with chores?
I use a vacuum cleaner and sometimes cleaning sprays.
Same here. I also use a washing machine for laundry.
Of course, that makes life easier.
Imagine washing clothes by hand every day.
That would be very hard.
Yes, we are lucky to have these tools.
So, if you could stop doing one chore forever, what would it be?
I think washing dishes.
You really don't like dishes.
No, I don't. What about you?
Cleaning the bathroom, no question.
Good choice. But even if we don't like chores, we still have to do them.
That's right, it's part of daily life.
And it helps us take care of our home.
Yes, and also take care of ourselves.
So, what's the takeaway for today?
I think the message is simple.
Yeah?
Do your chores even if they're small.
And try to enjoy the process.
You can listen to music, take breaks, and make it fun.
And don't wait too long. Do a little every day.
Exactly.
All right, guys, that's it for today's conversation.
We hope you learned some new words and expressions.
And we hope you feel more confident talking about daily life in English.
Thanks so much for watching Easy Talk English channel.
See you next time.
Bye.